So far, so good. The trail hasn't been too technical. As long as I don't do anything stupid, we should make good progress. My TransEuroTrail adventure starts here, on the northeast coast of the United Kingdom. If you've just come in on that ferry, it'll take you about an hour to get to Heading on the Wall. That's where our journey really begins. In the village, fill your tank, grab sandwiches and a caffeine fix. Just round the corner, as long as I don't do anything stupid, we should make good progress. Obviously, nothing at all can go wrong with this. Why didn't I choose the easy side? Shit. It's a good job Steve's on camera today. It takes both of us to push the rally backwards, and I carve out an exit with my boots. It feels impossible to get grip anywhere. Ooh, finally! I'm out of this muddy bank. Well, somebody spoke too soon. That was hard work. Jesus. That mud is more like clay, and it's bloody everywhere. As I cross the River Tyne into Stocksfield, sections of roadwork help me to cool off. Yeah, a bit confused where I am at the moment. I'm somewhere near Slaley Forest, and it's been raining. Bloody hell! Even in summer, this 2-3 mile track over Blanchland moor is sopping. Be wary of the deep stuff. But after about halfway, it does dry out. God, I'm wrecked. We are in the village of Blanchland. The trail from Slaley Forest through was fantastic. Lots of deep water, but I really enjoyed it. It was great fun. Right then, so I'm off into the village to try and get a cup of tea. See you in a bit. Progress has been a bit slower than I thought, but from the village you can ride this loop back through Slaley Forest. Well, it would be rude not to. This part is great fun, and best of all, no water, no mud. Oh, well, it's only a puddle. What could possibly go wrong? Shit. Right. Long story short, don't know what happened there actually. Obviously, well, I'm guessing I came through this, hit something, just really lost it, and it just basically came up here. I don't know what I'm doing. So pulled it down from here, and we're here. So with any luck, I can keep going forward and get back on my feet. It's not long before I'm back in business. Not sure if that looks quite right. Confidence destroyed, I proceed with caution. I've finished that loop back to Slaley Forest. Now I'm starting to ride west. At this very pretty lake, I enjoy a traditional Northumbrian snack. I really don't like this downhill bit. And guess what's at the bottom? Oh, Jesus. Why do I do this? It must be bloody nuts. Being honest, that was not as bad as I thought, but still really slippy. Those rocks are a nightmare. You've got to keep momentum going, but your brain's saying slow down. Hey, you know, in fairness to the little Rally, she keeps bouncing back. What a great little bike. Unlike myself, my back is absolutely bloody killing me. Ooh. Don't get old. The TransEuroTrail UK section is fantastic. A little bit more challenging than I thought at times, but overall it's brilliant fun. I've made it to the town of Hexham. I'm barely even out of Northumberland before injury stopped play. However, there's lots more still to discover. My thanks to Steve, not only for the excellent drone footage of the northeast coast, but also for helping save Ronnie the Rally from a watery grave. Cheers, mate. And to you, thank you very much for watching. I hope you're staying safe. This is doing absolutely bugger all. I need alcohol.